Hello everyone and welcome back to 125 Tech. Today I'm excited to share with you an amazing VPN solution that will change the way you browse the internet. I'll be introducing you to .NET VPN, a powerful VPN service that comes with its own fast servers and supports multiple protocols for unlimited and secure browsing. Whether you're concerned about your privacy, want to access restricted content, or simply need a reliable connection, .NET VPN has got you covered. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. First, let me walk you through the download and installation process step by step. Open any web browser on your device, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you prefer. In the search bar at the top, type in SSH SSL tunnel and press Enter to search. You'll see a list of search results appear on your screen. From these results, look for the official SSH SSL tunnel website and tap on it. This will take you directly to the homepage of the official site where you can access all the VPN options safely. Once you've landed on the homepage, you'll notice a menu icon, usually located in the top corner of the page. Tap on this menu icon and a list of different menu options will appear before you. From this list of menus, locate and tap on the option that says Free VPN. This will take you to the VPN download page where you can see all available VPN options. Now you're on the VPN page where different VPN options are displayed. Look through the available options and tap on .NET VPN to begin the download process. After selecting .NET VPN, you'll see an Install button appear on your screen. Tap on this Install button to start downloading the VPN application. The download and installation process will take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. So please be patient and wait for it to complete. Once the .NET VPN has been successfully installed on your device, you will see an Open button appear where the Install button was previously. Tap on this Open button to launch the .NET VPN application for the first time. The application will now open, and you'll be redirected to the home screen of .NET VPN. At this point, the app may ask you to allow notifications. You can choose to allow notifications if you want to receive updates and alerts from the VPN, or you can cancel this request if you prefer not to receive notifications. The choice is entirely yours. Now that you're on the home screen, there's an important step you need to complete before you can start using the VPN. You must have an active internet connection because the VPN needs to load and update its server list. Once you're connected to the internet, the servers will begin updating automatically. Let me now explain the main features and interface of .NET VPN. This VPN application has a user-friendly interface divided into two main sections. The first section is dedicated to servers, where you can choose from various server locations around the world. The second section is for selecting protocols, which determines how your VPN connection will be established and secured. Understanding these two sections is key to getting the most out of your VPN experience. You can select any server you want to use based on your needs. For example, if you want to access content from a specific region, choose a server from that location. The great thing about NET VPN is that you can change servers whenever you want, giving you complete flexibility. After you've selected your preferred server, it's time to choose a protocol. Protocols are the methods by which your data is encrypted and transmitted through the VPN tunnel. To access the protocol options, tap on the Tweaks button in the app. A list of different tweaks and protocols will appear on your screen. .NET VPN offers built-in protocols that are pre-configured for optimal performance. Scroll down through the list and review the available options. Choose any protocol that works best for you based on your specific needs and internet connection type. Now, let me explain the two methods you can use to configure your VPN connection. You can either use the built-in protocols that come pre-configured with .NET VPN, or you can create custom settings for more advanced users. If you choose to use custom settings, you'll need to set a name for your tweak so you can easily identify it later. Next, choose a protocol type from the available options such as SSL, SSH, or other supported protocols. If you decide to use SSL protocol, you can also enter an SNI or server name indication value to further customize your connection. You can experiment with other settings as well to find what works best for your specific situation. Once you've completed all the configuration steps and you're satisfied with your server and protocol selections, you'll see a large Start button prominently displayed on the home screen of the app. This is your connection button. Tap on this Start button to initiate the VPN connection. The VPN will establish a secure connection within just a few seconds. You'll see a notification or indicator showing that you're now connected and your internet traffic is being encrypted and routed through the VPN server you selected. At this point, you can browse the internet freely and securely, knowing that your data is protected and your privacy is maintained. And that's everything you need to know to get started with .NET VPN. This is truly a fantastic VPN solution that offers flexibility, security, and ease of use all in one package.